Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this simple illustration on Procreate. As usual, let's begin with the screen size resolution canvas on your iPad and fill the background with a solid color. Today we're going with a pastel illustration, so I'm going to fill in the canvas with a pastel pink color. For the first part of this video, I'm going to show you the sketching process first. Open the brush tool and go to the sketching section of your brushes and select the Procreate pencil. If black seems a little harsh, you can always go with any other dark shade. In the sketching process, you usually come up with your base idea first, so this is where you can experiment with your ideas, what kind of characters you want to include, and how your background's going to look like. In today's illustration, I'm going to draw a small hilltop cafe with 2 mouse characters. The first thing that I'm going to do is draw the outline of the cafe. So I'm going to draw a rectangle box and just make the rough structure of the building. Don't worry how messy your sketch looks like now. You can always erase and make any other changes that you want later. For now, I'm going to concentrate on the 3D look of the cafe, which means I'm going to add a roof, a side view of the building, and a chimney. And we're going to draw some clouds coming out of the chimney as well. You can draw a backdoor entrance at the side of the cafe. You can draw arch windows or square windows or rectangle windows. It really depends on what you want. Let your imagination flow here. The sign is the last part of drawing the cafe. Next, I'm going to sketch the grassy layer beneath the cafe and the hill that supports it. A few boulders and small rocks here and there, some plants and a few wild weeds as well. There are a variety of sketching brushes in the brush library, but so far the Procreate pencil brush is really one that I'm so comfortable with. Over here, I'm going to draw a gravel path. I'm going to draw 2 fluffy clouds now. Let's draw the mountain that supports the cafe. I've drawn 2 layers of grass before starting on the rocky part. When you're drawing the rocky part of the hill, remember that it's supposed to look like a mountain, and there will be some random spots of shadows over the mountain. The side of a mountain is supposed to look the most shadowy, so use the hatching technique over there. The first part of the sketch, the setting, is almost done now. I'm going to add another sign on the hill itself. Here's where the characters come in. You can draw humans, you can draw animals, whatever you like. I'm going to draw two mouse characters over here, a young mouse and his mom. In case you're not sure how to sketch a character, say a duck, you can always open Pinterest and look for references over there. Pinterest is a great app for references, especially when you need to draw something that you're not comfortable or familiar with. Procreate has a lot of shortcuts that help you draw better. For example, if you've made a mistake, you can always double tap on your screen to undo your last stroke. If you've accidentally undone a stroke, you can tap 3 fingers on the screen to redo that step. Sometimes the initial sketch looks a lot messy, so I decrease the opacity of that layer and open a new layer to draw any more elements. I've opened another layer to draw the mother mouse and will ultimately combine both sketches to form the base sketch layer. You can always move your elements around to see how the picture looks like. When you're satisfied with your composition, you can finish everything and combine the layers into one sketch layer. And that's the end of part 1. To see how I've colored my sketch, look out for the next video I post. Until then, take care!